So welcome back. Now let's explore one of the most powerful capabilities of Unity Catalog, delta sharing. So data sharing with delta sharing allows organization to securely share live data with external teams, external partners, customers, or even different technology platforms without physically copying the data. The key idea is simple: share data, no data copies. Okay, so why do we need delta sharing? In traditionally, see, when you think about data sharing, you that involves exporting the files, creating copies, sending extract, or replicating data set into other platforms. Now, this created several challenges. So, multiple copies of the same data, increased storage cost, data synchronization issues, security concerns, compliance risk. Delta sharing solves these problems by allowing consumers to access the live data directly from the provider. So this data remains in one place while multiple consumers access the same data, same trusted data set. I think the concept is clear. Now let's look into some of the key benefits of delta sharing. First of all, secure data sharing. Share data securely without exposing the underlying storage. The access is controlled through Unity Catalog permissions and governance policies. So it is secure. Second one, there is no data duplication. So data stays in one place. The consumers access the same live data. So the provider maintains a single source of truth and consumers access the same live data set. That's the beauty of delta sharing. Then we have cross platform sharing. What is that cross platform sharing does? Share data across cloud and platforms like Databricks to Databricks, Databricks to external platforms, etc. So data sharing is an open standard. Data can be shared between Databricks and Snowflake, Databricks and AWS environment, Databricks and Google BigQuery, external organizations and partners. This makes the collaboration much easier. So that is cross-platform sharing. So this is giving you flexibility to share between Databricks and Snowflake or Databricks and Google and different platforms, also technology. Then very important benefit is fine-grained control. I think one of our session we saw what is fine-grained control. So we share specific table with full access control and governance. We can control the access at catalog level, schema level, table level, view level, function level. Right. Same applies to the delta sharing. You don't have to share everything. You can choose exactly which catalog to share, which schema to share, which table to share, and which users are allowed to access. The governance remains completely under your control. Okay, that that's another benefit of delta sharing. Now, always up to date. That's a problem, right? So when you have multiple copies of the data, multiple extract of the data, always data becomes stale. Okay, so but using delta sharing, the consumers always access the latest data in the real time. Okay, there is no need to refresh file or synchronize copies. That is another beauty of data sharing. The final one is cost effectiveness. So by eliminating duplicate data storage, organizations reduce storage cost, data movement cost, data replication cost. So now let's look at the architecture. On the left side, we have the data providers. Who are the providers? Okay. So we have Databricks is a provider. Okay. We have data to share, customers, transactions, products. And no, the provider controls permissions, security, auditing, governance through Unity Catalog. So you can see that the Databricks provides workspace and data to share, and the Unity Catalog controls the governance, permissions, and auditing through the Unity Catalog. The data remains stored in the cloud storage such as Azure Data Lake Storage, Amazon S3 bucket, or Google Cloud Storage. Okay, this is the left side of the architecture, the data providers. Okay, now comes to the delta sharing layer. Okay, the delta sharing layer, you can see this is the delta sharing layer. Okay, it's a secure connection, it's outbound only. Okay, so between the provider and the consumer sits the delta sharing service. This acts as a secure sharing mechanism. Importantly, delta sharing does not copy the data. Instead, it provides governed access to the data. Think of it as a secure window into your data rather than a data transfer mechanism. Now, we have seen the providers, we have seen the connector, and now the data consumer recipients. The consumers can be another database workspace. You can share data from one workspace to another workspace. Okay, it can be a Snowflake, an external platform. Okay, we can have another AWS account, external business partners, customers, government agencies. Then we will have the each consumer access only the data set they have been authorized to use. Typically, access is provided in a read-only manner. I think this is very clear to you. There is no need to further explanation of the sharing process, right? You see Databricks to Database, Database to Snowflake, Databricks to Amazon, Databricks to Google Query, and share with external operators or other parties. Okay, you can think about like banking. A bank can securely share financial data set with the regulators without exporting files or creating duplicate data set. That's one example. Okay, then maybe a retailer can share inventory and sales information with the suppliers and distributors. The supplier always see the latest data. Then there could be some scenario healthcare. The healthcare organization can securely share approved data set with the research institutions while maintaining governance control. Then the data providers organization that monetize data can provide live data set to multiple customers while maintaining a single source of truth. Okay, so these are some of the real case scenarios that is around us. So what is the takeaway from this data sharing with the delta sharing? The delta sharing enables secure governed cross platform data sharing without data duplication. The provider keeps the data in their own cloud storage. The Unity catalog enforces governance and security, and the consumers are access live data whatever they need or whenever they need, whether they are another database space, Snowflake, BigQuery, AWS, or any external organizations. This delta sharing is supported. So this is a key feature of Unity catalog. So far, I have not implemented this. I am looking forward to have some opportunity to implement delta sharing in Databricks. Happy learning. Thank you.